Claps. A clap. Don't close your eyes to get away. Just make my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful girl, you stainless. You be fun.
Y'all, so we are off the plane. No, I don't think so. Y'all, we off the plane. And we in Dallas hoes. We about to turn this bitch up. Yeah. We almost missed the flight, but we made it. I made it. Brittany and almost missed the flight, period. But they made it. And yeah, we about to go get in free card. You want to catch a boat ride later. Today's Saturday.
So stay tuned.
Stay tuned, period. I'm gonna see y'all later.
Turn up crew.
Y'all, so we made it to our hotel room. I just wanted to do a quick voiceover. We're actually here for my friend's sister's birthday. So yeah, just enjoy the vlog, okay guys? It's gonna be litty. Y'all, we made it to the dock holes.
Yes.
Yeah.
You on this bitch?
Hmm?
Oh, I was finna say, cause you on this bitch.
Look at everybody. Period. Now get you off here. Let me see. Shake that ass, friend. Oh, whoa, whoa.
Yeah, I pull up.
Y'all, I thought y'all could see me the whole time. But we made it to the boat, bitches.
Roll the window down it. I pull up, roll the window down it. Yeah, I pull up, roll the window down it. I just bought a pistol, it got 30 rounds. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Wait a nigga block and watch them niggas drown in it. 100 round drum, got a nigga down with it. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on that slaughter gang shit. Take
What up, y'all? So we are. If I look a mess, it's okay. I gotta do my hair. It's early in the morning. Okay, this is the only time I got to go and go to the store. So we on the way to the nail store. Period. Cause I know I do nails. Don't look at my nails. Let me stop talking about nails. Cause girl, they so bitch. Don't worry about you. Don't worry about me. We about to go to the nail store. It's called Nails Plus. It's huge, and I'm super duper excited. I just wanted to get on camera to let y'all know it was tea. That's what I'm about to go do. And then we want to brunch later. And we're going to a day party. So, come and vibe out with your girl, period. Y'all, so we just left Nail Plus not too long ago, and I spent $190, y'all. Big bankroll. Remember, I used to be dusty, still beating, but no. I feel like you could go online and buy the stuff online from whatever website you want to buy the stuff from. They got online, but if you got a license, it don't matter. They don't give you discounted price. They like, oh, we buy wholesale, but y'all still sell it for regular price. So I'd rather go shopping at home. Like some of the products, they did have a bigger selection of everything. Like they have everything like Young Nail stuff, Valentino stuff, like more popular brands in store. But I could go back home and get a discount. You feel me? So yeah, and like some of the charms I bought, I feel like I definitely could have bought them off Shein. But I'm gonna tell you all the prices and stuff when I sit down or whatever and like talk. So yeah. In the video. Cute. Y'all, we at the brunch spot and it's super cute.
Claps. I'm talking crazy. It's the way my
Y'all, we made it, and they playing Beyonce, bitch. I fuck with the beat.
Boy, you get killed. I bought a brand new drop and then I put me up some drops. Y'all said real street nigga, y'all ain't.
It go over here. Thank you. Yeah.
Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. That nigga blocking west, that nigga drown in it. They round drawn, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit, slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit. 2 guns up, I don't give a fuck. I'm a big dog, little nigga, you a fuck. Pull up at your spot, walk up on it, shoot it up.
Yeah. What's the name of this place? Lava Cantina. Oh, right here. I see it.
Skinny bitch, cause I like a fat ass size. So y'all savage, your baby daddy know not to try. I just bought a pistol and got 30 rounds in it. Pull up at your mama house and put some rounds in it. Got a nigga blocking west, some nigga drown in it. 100 round drawn, got a nigga down with it. I'm on this slaughter gang shit, murder gang shit.
Happy birthday, girl.
Thank you. My birthday's next Friday, but we're celebrating with my family and my friends.
Yes.
They came in from Louisiana to come out here and hang with me.
Murder gang shit, murder gang shit, murder gang shit, murder gang shit, murder gang shit.
Forget if it's your birthday and it's birthday. Y'all, I'm about to get some hookah.
Don't close your eyes to get away. Just bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing.
Yeah. The 10,000 building, get your ass an apartment, put you inside a G-class, that's just a starter kit. Plenty things count in life, but none of them is the thought of it. New piece around my neck, this chess game.
We had a time tonight.
They can tell. Look at your head.
It'll tell. Well,
It's sticking.
guess what? I had a time. That's all I need the motherfucking alcohol. I'm put music over this so y'all can hear what I'm saying. Cause bitch, I'm broke home. That's a badass bitches. Let me see. Cause she knew I could hold that pussy. Ooh, pee. Ooh. Friend, give me one too. Yeah, I wanna go too. Give me a 1 2 though, friend. Clap it. Ooh. Woo. 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 We stole the cheese, girl.
Give my cheese. I'm still shooting. Y'all waiting up there.
Fuck them. For one, why P gonna tell me about my hair? Don't fix my hair. You talking about my hair? I ain't fixed it. Yeah, y'all don't blow on me naked. It feels good. Listen. The pop bottle. They open up. Yeah, I'm tapped out. It's the end of the night. Yeah. It's the end of the night. I'm done, bitches. Period. Yeah, all the time, best friend. It's the end. I'm done for the win. If you guys made it to the end of the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and watch more videos. Bye, guys.